Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add custom fonts in our Flutter application. We'll be using the Google Fonts library to add custom fonts. So this is the easiest way in which you can add custom fonts in your Flutter application. So let's get started. So let's head over to the perf.dev website and search for Google Fonts library. Okay, we are going to install this library in our Flutter application. Wait till it installs. Okay, as you can see, it is installed. Now we are going to rebuild our application. Wait for the app to rebuild. Okay, it will take a little bit of time. If you're liking this video by the time the app is building, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can get my latest videos. So you can see in the Google Fonts library, it's very easy to use. Okay, just will you use the dot operator to use the custom fonts. Okay, so as you can see, we'll be replacing the default text style and we'll be using the Google Fonts. Okay, as you can see the documentation. Okay, okay, so now what we can do is let's head over to fonts.google.com. Here you can see all the fonts which we can use. This library supports almost all 99% of all these fonts which you will see in this website. Okay, you can use any of these fonts. You can use Roboto, you can use Montserrat, you can use like Open Sans, or you can use Roboto. As I said, you can use any of these fonts. Okay, okay, as you can see the build is ready. So as you can see, this is in my mobile device. You can see, okay, the app is running, the library is installed. So now what we are going to do is we are going to remove this text theme. Okay, and we are going to see, we are not going to use the default text style. Instead of text style, what we are going to do, what we are going to use is Google Fonts dot and the name of the font. Okay, so the first library, as we saw in the website, we are going to use is Montserrat. Okay, we are going to increase the font size. Okay, so I have added that to the counter. I'll replace that. Just wait. Okay, so as you can see, as you can see, the font is changed. Okay, so I'm going to use Open Sans. Okay, you can see the font is changing. Now I'm going to use a pretty fancy font, that is Sacramento. So So it is very easy to use. You can use any of these fonts available. So let's use Noto Sans. Okay. So let's see, we can use Meriwether. Okay, so as you saw, it's very easy to add fonts in our application. We can add other attributes like font weight. We can make the text bold. Okay, as you can see, the text is now bold. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It will give me more confidence to upload more such videos. You can follow me on Instagram at the Inolus, and you can send me your query. I'll love to solve your queries related to Flutter. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.